Man, guys, you guys have no idea the freaking scare that I just went through right now. I was about to leave to go put gas, and I turned on the car, and little did I know, 2 miles to empty. The nearest gas station is about 5 minutes away. So what I ended up doing was I switched over from my 93 performance tune to my 93 economy tune, and that gave me a good 7 miles to empty. I was able to get to the gas station, put gas, and we're good to go. Now that we're at a full tank, we're actually gonna head over to Westlake, Texas, which is a good 30-minute drive. And we're supposed to go to a car meet that's actually a pretty good big car meet. It's supposed to have like minimum 100 cars, so it should be a good meet. The last time I actually went to a actual official meet was like 3 months ago when I got that ticket. I got fined for it. If you haven't seen the video, I'll make sure to leave it somewhere around here. But yeah, that was the last time. It was like 100 and some bucks that I had to end up paying. That's like a freaking car mod, man. I could have done something that was 100 bucks to my car. But hey, you gotta do it for YouTube, right? So hopefully we don't get in trouble this time around. I know they're enforcing a lot of like COVID precautions, masks, and like try to keep the social distancing to the best as possible. So hopefully we don't get in trouble with the cops. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. But guys, I hope we do have some fun. I'll get some good content for you guys, and I'll see y'all when we get there. We're here with the homies. We got Luis, Hector, Chris over there. And it's actually a really good turnout, man. There's a lot of people, a lot of different cars. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys around the parking lot, see what's up. We got all the Mustang homies right here. Got Chris's S550. You got Peter's, Hector's. What's up, man? Yes, sir.
RGA Shrimp Mile, man. Real Grand Hustlers. We out here from the Valley, man. The latest thing. You already know the damn deal. We sell shrimp. We got some shrimp, man. 20 bucks. You get one, you get a CD. You already know the damn deal. You can check out my YouTube channel, RGA Shrimp Mile TV.
All right, man. Go check them out. Got the whole Mopar club, man. These guys took over like the whole freaking car show. Got some Subis over here. Got the boy Sergio. Anybody need a spare? Who do y'all think took that one, man? This guy? The Stang over there? That Charger? I don't know, man. They all sounded pretty clean to me. Freaking ears are hurting for a bit. Dude, that's pretty freaking clean, man. Look at that. That's freaking nice. I think it's like... I think this one's lady owned. Not bad. And look at this. That's clean, guys. That looks cool. Got the Volkswagen Club over here. It's like in sections, man. You got the trucks on this side and all the Volkswagens over here. You got like a line of Mustangs, a line of Mopar. You got everything here today. It's pretty freaking clean, man. Cleanest show we've ever seen. Up close and in pictures. We got George's S550 here. Go check them out. I think it's Havoc S550 on YouTube. Got a few classics on this side. Not bad. No Mustangs, but not bad. Guys, if I had a Charger, this is how I'd like for mine to look. Same color combo. Look at that. Pretty good turnout, man. You got the DJ over there. Hope I don't get copyrighted for that, but Look at that. I really like this color combo for a wrap, man. Look at this thing. Crazy. Man, if I did a wrap on my car, I think this is like what I would go towards. Freaking nice, man. Got the wicker bill and everything. Quad tips. Like it. Got a few Mustangs here. Guess they're running together. Hood Syndicate. Never heard about. I like how that S550 looks clean. Oh shoot! Got Sergio's Scat Pack, Luis's Scat Pack. Y'all seen it from the other video. I've never seen that carbon fiber hood on a Jeep. Looks nice. Got a G8. Sounds cammed. Take a look at this guy, man. Another hoodless car. Alright, not bad either. Guys, I just saw something. My freaking twin, man. What in the... Oh, my twin from back in the day when I used to have those 5-spoke wheels. But same color though. Only thing is it's a 5.0. Man, oh man, look at this, guys. We got a C8 already, brand new. That is freaking clean, man. That's freaking clean. Dang. Pretty cool looking EcoBoost. That's pretty cool. Yo, Cuzzo. Got a G8. It's the best car here. It is. Has the SS wheels, off-road tires. Dang, dude. Dang, got that GT500 front bumper. Looks nice. What's going on here? That's how much of a passion he has. He matches his shoes with the car. I'm with the homie George. Go check him out on YouTube. Started YouTube as well. Havoc S550.
Guys, give Albert a follow, guys. On Instagram, on YouTube. He's got some great content, guys. Follow him. Subscribe.
You heard the man. Wide body and everything. Wicker bill. Clean 5.0. Could have been us, guys. Could have been us. So make sure you tell my wife that could have been us, but we got a Toyota instead.
Vlogging a vlog, Albert, guys.
Vlogging inside a vlog, guys. Go check them out.
Okay.
Havoc S550.
Check out Albert.
A little EcoBoost, all right, not bad. We got the fan favorite, man. Can you tell?
Right in behind the sheriff. Got out like
He got over.
Trade in or what, Chris?
Maybe.
Would you trade in? Would you trade in your Mustang for this?
I don't know, GTR.
GTR, dang. That's a pretty bold statement, Chris. I made a promise to my wife though. This is her favorite color. So at one point I'm gonna get her grabber blue. One day, guys. One day I'll get her grabber blue. I made her a promise. It's like her dream car. She's gotten 2 Mustangs and she hasn't gotten her grabber blue yet, but we'll get her for her soon. Alright, so we got a few more cars on this side of the parking lot. Everybody else is on that side, but it's freaking packed that they had to move everybody else over here. We got a few more Stangs, a few more Camaros. I pretty much covered the whole car show, guys. I've gone around the whole parking lot, even to the side now, and it's just cars keep coming in. I try to get you guys the best content I can get if anything happens, like pretty crazy, I don't know, a freaking fight or a burnout or some races, I don't know. But it's a pretty good turn. I'm enjoying it. It's been a while. Everybody's again is being safe. A lot of people out here. Clean car, dude. Right? Last birthday, I think. No, I don't know. Photo shoots going on and everything, man. Alright guys, so somebody connected to Chris's LED underglow and they're changing his colors. They're messing with them. Watch, you turn them blue and somebody changed them again. That's what sucks about having these lights, that they're Bluetooth so anybody can connect to them and they start messing with you. They turned them on again, man.
Yeah, they say that's my car now. Ah, who turned them?
They turned them off?
Okay.
So some bad news, actually lost my keys, guys, so it's they're under this car. Dang, guys. The Lambo doors and everything. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. Everybody's still here at the place. It's unbelievable. People still keep coming in and in and in. It's just, there's way too many cars, too many people now at this point. The cops came for a bit and left. I guess they just gave everybody a warning, just I guess to be safe. Other than that, it was a heck of a turnout. Super good car hangout. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Drop a like down in the video, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.